Well, welcome back to Backyard Cars, and today we are going to take you on a trip to Drag Strip Riot 8 here at Orlando Speed World in Florida, where we ran our old Motley Carlo. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to figure out some type of vacuum system or hydro boost or something so we can stop this thing, because she went, but she didn't whoa. Let me uncover this, and in the meantime, you can join us as we take off at 6 a.m. and rip on out to the track. Well guys, we made it out to the riot, and we've made some passes with the Motley Carlo already. But we're gonna look at the tickets right now. The old girl's quicker than she was. We shaved some seconds off of this fool. But let's check out the tickets, and then I'll walk you around, we'll catch some action, and maybe I can remember to, turn on the camera, you can ride with me. But let's check out these tickets and then we'll show you the passes. Or should we show you the passes and then the ticket? Well, that was the first pass with the big block. Yep. Not too bad, huh? Well, I mean, a 12.7 is respectable. It's almost 3 seconds faster than the small block ever was. So, and that was the first ever pass. So, I'm going to get you into the car show now. Well, I try to figure out, do I want to do hydro boost? Do I want to put a vacuum thing down in here? Run vacuum to it? What do I want to do to stop this heifer? But look, go check out the car show. Then we'll come back, we'll make one more pass, and ski-daddle. Well, another 12.7, right? Pretty consistent. First two passes almost right on top of each other. I'm happy with that. She's got some tuning we still need to do, obviously. But I'm more concerned that I couldn't hold it at the line and get on the converter. You know, there's more in it, but the brakes are so bad, it's just pushing right through. So I guess that's it. We're going to wrap up and cruise on home. Let me know in the comments though, like right now, what would you guys do? Would you run a vane style vacuum pump system, or would you convert it to hydro boost? Remember, we drive this on the road, we do burnouts, and we do drag racing and drag and drives and back road cruising, and allegedly, donuts in parking lots. Allegedly. Well, I do appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with us at Drag Strip Riot. Checking out the Monte Carlo. Now, I gotta go hook up and figure out parts. Parts. How much does it cost to do hydro boost? How much does it cost to do a good vacuum pump? Probably too much. Probably too much. Thanks for watching. And go down there, like, comment, ring the bell, all those good things, and check back with us next week and see what we're doing then. I got paint flaking up here. Great. Now it looks like a real hunk of junk.